Introducing the V-Color DDR5 Manta XPrism RGB 32GB memory module, a top-tier upgrade designed for Intel gaming desktops. With a staggering speed of 7800MHz and a PC 5-62400 rating, this DDR5 memory delivers unprecedented performance. Each kit contains two 16GB sticks, providing a total of 32GB. Perfect for handling heavy workloads and intensive gaming sessions. One of the standout features of the V-Color Manta XPrism is its CAS latency of 38, paired with timings of 38-48-48-126. This configuration ensures fast and responsive performance, reducing lag and boosting overall system efficiency. Running at 1.45V, this memory module strikes a balance between power consumption and performance, ideal for gamers and professionals alike. Built with 8i Hynix IC, the Manta XPrism is engineered for superior overclocking capabilities. It offers great stability and high tolerance under extreme conditions, making it a reliable choice for users looking to push their systems to the limit. Whether you're overclocking or running demanding applications, this memory module ensures smooth and stable operation. The RGB lighting on the Manta XPrism has been redesigned with advanced technology, offering ultra-smooth and bright illumination. The light bar allows for a symphony of colors, adding a visually stunning element to your build. Customize your lighting to match your setup and create an immersive gaming environment. A high-quality metallic mirrored silver heatsink ensures effective heat dissipation, maintaining performance even under the most intense loads. This premium heatsink not only enhances thermal performance but also adds a sleek and stylish look to your PC. The V-Color DDR5 Manta XPrism is compatible with Intel's Apex C790 motherboards, making it an ideal choice for those looking to maximize their system's potential. Whether you're upgrading your existing setup or building a new rig, this memory module offers edge-cutting performance that cannot be missed. In summary, the V-Color DDR5 Manta XPrism RGB 32GB, 16GB x2, 7800MHz is a must-have for any serious gamer or professional. Its superior speed, advanced overclocking capabilities, and stunning RGB lighting make it a standout choice for enhancing your desktop's performance and aesthetics. Don't miss out on this high-performing memory module designed to take your computing experience to the next level. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.